What can you do if your platform isn't working? Like today, we saw multiple platforms like my TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim that you're seeing in the background. Ooh la la. And Charles Schwab Street Smart Edge platform, which merged with TD Ameritrade, was not working either. So traders and myself, we couldn't either A, log in, or B, execute orders on a big gap up like we saw today. And when I finally got to execute orders, you can see here on my fills, I was getting my orders held. They were holding my orders, so the platform was messed up. TOS came out on Twitter and they said, folks, we understand you were experiencing outage. This was very late in the day, though, as you can follow me at PermableLance, at Lance Ippolito on Twitter. Look at that good-looking guy here. But I actually messaged them multiple times on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, and they said you can call. Well, guess what? If you try to call, you're probably going to be put on hold and all that mumbo-jumbo. So what can you do? Well, a couple things. First, you can try logging in to the website if your platform's not working, and you can put orders there. Here's a trade tab, and you can go to your stocks or options and all that fun stuff. So try that. B, TD Ameritrade actually has Thinkorswim on a web-based platform, so you could log in via the web too. Another alternative is, see this handy phone right here? They have the apps. So you can go on to your TD Ameritrade app. Now that is if you're a TD Ameritrade customer, which I am. But also, it is always a good thing to have other brokerage platforms where you have accounts on. Meaning this, let's say I can't log in here and I go, oh, darn it, how am I going to access that? What you can do is try other platforms like Interactive Brokers, which was up and running all day. It was fine from what traders told me. So that's an alternative. Another is I can go and I have a Robinhood account. So I can go to my Robinhood here or my Webull and I can trade there. Now, you're probably saying, well, I have positions with one broker. What am I going to do with the others? Well, to offset some of your positions, you can put hedges or other strategies with your other broker platforms until you can get your main platform, your main brokerage up and running. So let's say the market's gapped up massively today and you're long the market, which I was, and you're scared and you want to hedge your portfolio. Well, you could log on, say, your Interactive Brokers account or your Robinhood account or maybe your Webull account that's up and running, and you could put on hedges on those accounts to offset not being accessible to your main platform out there. So a couple things you can do if you try to call them or email or message them on Twitter like I did, it's probably not going to work out because crap like this happens. And I hate saying that, but Schwab and TD merged, and during volatile days, we do see outages like this, and it hasn't gone away, unfortunately. So always having a backup plan is so important out there. Even if you just have, like I have multiple accounts throughout broker platforms. I mean, I have like $5,000, $7,000 with Robinhood and Webull. Not a lot of money to me, but at least it's accessible and I can still put on positions. That's always key. You always want to cover your behind, and you always want to plan for the worst. It can be, what if the power goes out? What if there's a hurricane? How do you still get access to your account, especially on big days like we are seeing today, and with volatility picking up, obviously with election or big down days, big up days we're seeing. Lance Ippolito here. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Lance Ippolito. You'll see this beautiful white smile and some fantastic lifestyle videos and color on the markets. And let's finish 2020 off strong.